How to make video calls on Telegram. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make video calls on Telegram app. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. The first step is you'll need to update your Telegram app to its latest version. For that, head over to your app store and search for Telegram. After you search for Telegram, open up your Telegram right here, and if you see an update option, tap on update and open up your Telegram. Also, make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now, if you want to call your friend, you'll need to make sure that your friend has enabled your feature, that is their privacy settings, to make sure that you can call them. So without them doing so, you cannot actually call them. So what you need to do is open up the chat of the friend that you want to call. After you do that, tap on the username of your friend that is on the top. After you do that, there you will see an option to video call them. So simply tap on the video call and then start the video call. It's basically that simple. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.